Hey guys, today I'm going to learn on how to check iCloud photos on Android, and all we have to do is to tap on our web browser, and then I'm going to search for iCloud.com. From there, and I'm going to tap on sign in the case that I don't have any account. So I'm going to tap on the sign in. Once I tap on the sign in, you're going to sign in by inputting our email address, then password. Or we can just tap on create a Napo ID in the case that we don't have any account. Then once you have logged in into your iCloud account, in the case that you do have any of your, let's see, time or notes, you'll be able to find them here. And you can be able to share, download, or delete. Another thing is you can be able to manage your iCloud in case of any storage problem in which your, let's say, iCloud doesn't have enough space to fit in some of the numbers, notes, or right. And thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.